Well, hey y'all, watch as I turn this instant box of Kraft macaroni and cheese into a delicious homemade tasting baked macaroni and cheese by adding just 2 ingredients. So you want to take just 1 box of Kraft macaroni and cheese and cook it per the package directions. Make sure that you're stirring those macaroni noodles occasionally so they don't stick. And just cook until the water has absorbed into the noodles. And at that point, you're going to want to add 4 ounces of softened room temperature cream cheese, some triple cheddar, shredded cheese, or whatever cheese you prefer. Gouda cheese is another great flavor, and some salt and pepper to taste. You're just going to mix in that softened cream cheese and add 2 tablespoons of butter. I used real butter. It makes such a difference in the taste. And the importance of that cream cheese being at room temperature is so that it's easy to stir. Otherwise, it's going to be hard to mix in. And at this point, you're going to want to add 3/4 cups of milk. Blend that really well. And this is one delicious baked macaroni and cheese by adding just 2 extra ingredients. It was absolutely delicious and cheesy. You couldn't tell that it wasn't totally homemade. So I added about 1/2 cup of shredded triple cheddar cheese and just blend that in really well. I also added cheese to the top once I transferred it into the baking dish. And so here I'm adding the powdered cheese. This is where you're going to need to add more milk because it does become rather thick, like a thick consistency at this point. And just blend the powdered cheese into the buttermilk and shredded cheeses and cream cheese. And you may need to even add a little more milk because it does become thick. And I did spray the bottom and sides of my baking pan with some olive oil. You can also use butter, whatever you have on hand. And I transferred the macaroni and cheese over into the baking dish and added some extra shredded cheeses. It makes such a difference adding cheese to the top. It gives it a little crust on top. And make sure that you did preheat your oven to 400 degrees. This came out delicious. And I did cook baked chicken, Texas toast, and some Bama style baked beans. I do have the video up for the Bama style baked beans. It's in a playlist under side dishes. Let me know if you make this. If you do, I hope you like it. It was absolutely delicious. It's a great dish to take to any cookout or just have it any day of the week. And thank you so much for being here, for watching my videos. I'm so glad you're here. Make sure to like and subscribe and share this video, and I hope you have a great day.